Hi, so today I am going to be talking about the product Arm& Hammer Pure Baking Soda, and this is the one for scratchless cleaning. So I don't know if you guys can see it in the corner, but it does have like a microwave and a stove, so this is what they are advertising on the front of the box, that it might be good for using or cleaning for. And then also, this is a smaller box, so it should be no more than $1. I actually got this box for 80 something cent. This is the one that you can put in your fridge, and so they do advertise on the top of the box changes every 30 days. And something I do like about this product is on the side of the box it has the date for which you can put where you purchased it or what date you put it in your fridge, and then you change it every 30 days, so that's pretty cool. I'm just going to show you guys the packaging of it. It's the front, top, and it does come in like a little square box. It's very tiny. Like I said, this is the one you put in your fridge. I know growing up in my household, we did put baking soda in my fridge, and it was a similar box to this. So you just stick this in the back of your fridge or wherever you feel comfortable sticking it, and it's supposed to keep your fridge smelling good. And also, there's other really good usages for this, for putting it in your fridge. But I don't put it in my fridge, so I don't have the date filled out, but I will tell you guys what I use this for in a little bit. But it's just a box. Okay. So there are very good, very good usages when it comes to this. Like I said, it's small, so I do definitely carry this with me when I am traveling. Even if it's somewhere to a friend's house down the street, I will take this with me because, guys, what I do use this for is every other day I will brush my teeth. I'll just sprinkle a little bit of baking soda on my toothbrush. I don't do this every day because I have read that it is bad to brush your teeth with baking soda on a daily basis or very consistently, but when I feel like I need a very deep cleaning or a better cleaning than what I have been having just with my toothpaste, I will go on with this. It's been shown that if you use baking soda to brush your teeth, you get a whiter smile. So I do go in with baking soda. Not every day though. I'll try to go every other day, or sometimes I'll forget, but I do use baking soda to brush my teeth. Also, another usage that I use baking soda for is when I am washing my sheets on my bed, I sprinkle a little bit of baking soda in my laundry water. And just because it does, I feel like it cleans your clothes better. There are certain stains that I've had in the past on certain clothes, and I'll go in scrubbing with baking soda with it. I love this product, and I love that the fact that it cleans so well. Also, another big thing that I love baking soda for, I do own a lot of pair of white Converse, and not even only white Converse, but just Converse in general in my Vans. This product is a lifesaver. I will go in with an old toothbrush that I don't use anymore and a little bit of baking soda, and I'll just get to scrubbing away just with baking soda, and I'll dip the toothbrush in a little bit of bleach. Gets all of the stains right out of it. What I am going to do for you guys now though is I'm going to just put a little bit on there just to show you guys the consistency of it. Okay, so like I said, if you guys have not seen baking soda before, this is what it basically looks like. So it's just a white powder. Just a white powder. It really reminds me of it doesn't have the consistency of salt because salt is tiny grains, but this is just like a powder, if you guys can tell. Very easy to use. Like I said, I do put a little bit of it on my toothbrush. So I'll just take the box and just shake a little bit on my toothbrush. And also with this too, you don't need that much. So if I took my toothbrush and I dipped a little bit of it in some bleach, and then I just dipped the top of my toothbrush on the baking soda. It honestly turns out so good. I've had this box, so I would have got rid of this box in like 30 days, like the packaging said, if it was in my refrigerator, because that's usually when it goes bad if you're putting it in the fridge. But since I don't keep this in the refrigerator and I just use this for like daily household things, guys, I've had this product for 7 going on 8 months now. And honestly, and like I said, I got this. You can get this for no more than $1. So a very good investment. It's very, you don't need that much. Very easy to use, very easy to work with. And also something else that I was going to mention is I use this to clean sometimes. I do have my own bathroom in my room, and I clean my sink with this and I clean my bathtub with this faithfully. I'll just go in with a little bleach, baking soda. This is a very good product, especially if you're in college. I'm in college, and sometimes like you don't have the means to afford like very expensive cleaning supplies. So something that I've noticed is I can just buy a container of bleach, just get a scrubby brush, and just super start cleaning everything. It honestly works so well for me, especially considering I'm on a tight budget because I am in school. And this is one of those products where it's like a good investment. It's $1 and it can be cheaper than $1. Honestly, like one of the best products that I think I own at this moment. Also, a easy cleanup too. So if let's say I'm using this and I'm just scrubbing everything down with it, very easy to clean up. You can just take like a hot rag and then just clean it up. So yeah, you guys should look into this product. It's very good and I love it.